Hello and welcome to Hardware Husky. Today we'll be looking at Sabrent's Rocket 4 Plus 1TB NVMe drive. So let's get the wrapper off so you can see the box properly. Here we go. Let's just peel this off. And you can start to see that the box is matte black and the copper colour. There's not too much on the front to look at. It's 1TB. On the side it says Rocket 4 Plus, and on the back there's just not that much. And this side is the same as the other side, just black. Let's open the box and get out and see what we have. Okay, inside we have there's a little metal sleeve with the hard drive in. It's quite a nice quality case. Tells you it's a 1TB drive, same as. Okay, yep, nothing much to it really, just tells you all the same information again. Inside we have a installation booklet. Next we have some cardboard protective cover holding the drive in, and there it is. Oh, there's a really nice copper rose gold colour. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but it is really nice. I like the looks of it. The black PCB is nice. It's a single-sided SSD. Just some information on the drive of the back. And the sticker on the front is a copper heat spreader. It's quite thick, so that's quite nice. You can see it properly. There we go. Okay, the basic specs for this drive is NVMe PCI Express 4.0. It's a standard M.2 size 2280. It's up to 7,000 megabytes a second read and up to 5,300 megabytes a second write. And it has 700 terabyte drive endurance. And for installation, when using a Ryzen 3000 or 5000 processor in a X570 and B550 board, ideally you'd want it in the top slot for maximum performance. Obviously this will work in any other slot, and on X570 it would work in the middle slot as well, but ideally the top slot is better as it's directly connected to the CPU and doesn't share any other lanes. Manual states that this drive requires a heatsink, so if you don't have any on your motherboard, buy the model that comes with the heatsink. If you use the motherboard ones, remember to peel this little bit of plastic off so it has contact with the thermal pad direct. Here is a thermal image of the heatsink, and as you can see it's 60 degrees even with the heatsink on, so it will run even hotter without any other cooling. Onto benchmarks using Crystal Disk Mark with a 4 gig file size. You can see that the read speed is a little bit short off the 7000, but the write speed is slightly over. I'm pretty impressed with the speed of this drive. While this drive really doesn't offer much practical use at the moment, I bought it in anticipation for RTX IO or Microsoft's Direct Storage, where the fast speeds will help load large open world games quicker into the graphics card, but we will have to revisit this when the feature becomes available. That's it for a quick look at Sabrent's Rocket 4 Plus 1TB. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, stick in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.